So now we will move on to one of the important concept. Okay. Let's talk about arrays. You can create a new class or folder, arrays. ARRAYS, arrays. Arrays. First of all, you need to understand what is an array, right? So just create array example. Don't give any space. Array example. So far, how many variables you are declaring? You are declaring one variable and you are assigning one value, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I wanted to declare multiple values to a single variable, then the array will comes into picture. Okay. So what is the purpose of array? Array is used to, you can write the comment there. Array is used to store multiple values into a single variable. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value. Okay. So how we are going to declare the arrays we will see now. Let's say I wanted to declare certain kinds of fruits. Okay. So fruits is a name, correct? When I say name, it is a string. So you just write string string, capital string, s capital string, and then use square bracket. Okay, square bracket string. Immediately after string, no space. Immediately after string, no space. Okay, string space fruits, fruits, space fruits, semicolon. That is how you will declare the array. Semicolon. Are you clear? Did you understand how do you declare an array?
Yes, sir.
We have not added any values to the array. Okay. For now, we are just learning how are we going to declare an array. So you are going to declare the array name with the data type. What is my data type here?
String.
Okay. If at all I wanted to define an array which is score. Okay. Score is my another array which is the
Integer.
score of students. Okay. So declare another array. Declare another one. Int. How do you declare array? Int square brackets and then score, score. Are you clear? How do you declare the arrays?
Yes, sir.
Now I wanted to assign the values to these arrays. So the first one we are going to take an example and then we will uh, I will explain you this one first. So string fruits. Go there, string fruits, and there what you are going to do is you just write string fruits is equal to, instead of colon just put is equal to. Okay. uh, Now you have to start flower bracket and add how many fruits you wanted to declare. Double quotes, within the double quotes you just write mango comma orange, whatever you want. Okay. 3 or 4 are fine. Okay. Now if I ask you at the end, you have to give semicolon. This is very important. For example, how many values you have now?
4, sir.
Mango, pineapple, orange, papaya. So generally, if you don't know the array concept of declaring one variable type, if you wanted to declare these, how many variables you are going to declare? Fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3, fruit 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
Rather than declaring those many, we are going to make use of fruits as a collection of elements. Okay, we call it as array is collection of elements. Array also can be called as collection of elements forms your array. Okay, clear? Now if you wanted to print this, how are you going to print this? So how do you print? System.out.println. In the same place, system.out.println, you are going to write fruits, fruits. Run the program, and then you will be able to see all the values which you have declared. Fruits. What happened?
It is something else came, sir.
What is the exception?
It is not mentioned anything.
No. Where is that? Double quotes. You have given everything, right? Okay. Yeah, that's correct only. You just write fruits within the square bracket 0. Fruits within the square bracket when you are writing in the system.out.println statement 0. Now run the program. Okay, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are trying to print the array value, so you have to ensure that you are giving the index of that particular value. Array index starts from 0. You can make a note of that point also. Array index start from 0. Array index start from 0. So if I wanted to print the first value, which is 0, fruits of 0. If I wanted to print the second one, fruits of 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you make it as 1? Yeah, right. Fruit 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay.
Yes,
Got it?
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if you run system.out.println fruits of 4, can you just try that also? What is happening? You tell me. Run the program and see, you will see an exception.
Yes, sir.
Exception in the thread because index 4 is out of bound, right? So
Yes,
if
sir.
you look at how many total elements are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 elements are there, because if you have 4 elements, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 only. That's the reason fruits of 4 is not available. If you add something else after papaya, if you add comma and you add something, some other name, then what is going to happen?
Jackfruit will also appear.
Jackfruit also will appear because now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Clear? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, I don't want to do this way. I wanted to display all of them one by one, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to. I don't want to do this way. I wanted to uh, write once, and then I wanted to. My code has to be. It has to take care of that, and it has to run the program automatically, right? So you already know one concept to do this. That's what I've told you earlier when I was explaining you for loop. Then I've told you I will explain you for loop with arrays also. Okay. So now if I wanted to do this without writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 manually, just comment all of these system.out.println statements. Loop, how are we going to use loops in arrays? Okay. So what I'm going to do, so we are going to use for for within the bracket, you know the syntax, right? Within the brackets, int space I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than, what is your total length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements, right? Just write 5. I less than 5 semicolon I plus plus. And after that, you are going to start the flower bracket start. And in that, system.out.println fruits, system.out.println fruits within the square bracket I. Do you agree with me? Square bracket I.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Whatever you have written system.out.println fruits I, first it will start with 0 and then it will get incremented 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it comes to 5, it will come out of the loop. Now run the program.
Yes, sir. It is same printed. Printed same.
So if you look at both of the examples, the code earlier you have written hard coded values. Here you did not hard code the value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But if you look at, if you increase one more number, okay, one more fruit name in your collection, can you increase one more apple? Will it print that also automatically?
Uh, yes, sir. No, sir.
Now run
No.
the program. No. Why?
Because we have given only less than 5 condition. I less than
So
5.
correct. So that means I have to give again, I have to change it here, right? So instead of doing it manually, I want the script to take care of it automatically, right? So to
Yes,
do
sir.
that, you need to understand the length of the array. So the length of the array, if you look at, just comment this for loop for some couple of minutes. First, we will see what is the length of an array. So to define the length of the array, just write system.out.println system.out.println. So your array name dot length, your array name dot length, that will give you the total length of the array. So now you print, it should show you the total number of elements in that particular array. See, 6 has come. That means, can I change in my for loop the same, instead of I, can I write fruits dot length? Now
Yes,
enable
sir.
the for loop. Now enable the for loop. Change that to I less than 5. Instead of that, you just write fruits dot length. Did you understand why we are doing that?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to change the value which is already there. Okay, so just comment the for loop also. Now are you clear with loops in array, for loop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you look at, you have the array value, the first value whatever you have in the array, which is mango, right? Fruits of 0. I wanted to change that to something else. Okay, so how are we going to change that value? So you have to write fruits of square bracket 0, fruits of square bracket 0, within that fruits of square bracket 0 is equal to, you just write some other fruit name. You just write, yeah, PS. Okay, now if you print system.out.println fruits of 0, what is that it is going to print?
Peers.
Pears only it will print. It will not print the other value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
If you have any questions, you just let me know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now you understand how do you declare an array and how do you assign the value to an array, like changing the value, and how can you display each and every value and the length of the array, right? The size of the array also you have seen, right?
Yes, sir. Dot length.
Yeah, so dot length also you have seen. So you can declare as many as you want. If you are declaring the size, whenever you are declaring any array, right? Whenever you are declaring any array, so you make use of these keywords and then try to write the programs, and you can hold as many number of values with one variable. That is how you will be able to make use of it. Clear?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, so similarly, can you demonstrate with an example using some numbers?
Yes, sir. Can I do it in
Just
the
show,
same one or same class?
make it a array example numeric. You put it like that and then try to show. Okay, you just speak when you are writing also, so that I'll
Yes, sir.
understand what is your level of understanding.
Yes, sir. Integer array
Mm-hmm.
nums
Mm-hmm.
equal to square bracket 26, 27, 9, 13, 65.
Okay. Mm.
Should I print each one of them or should I print using the loop, sir?
Use a for loop. Both the either of the ways is fine, but you'll use for loop. You know another best way, right? Instead of writing this also, we will do both of them. First, you do whatever the simple method you know.
Yes, sir.
For each also we have, right? We will do that also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is
Yes,
this
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
If you run the program, automatically you will be able
Oh,
to.
it
So
is
you might
running
have
the
used the uh,
previous one only running, sir.
you change the class name, no? The executable class name. You have to change the class name. The current class name, you have to use this. Right click here.
Here.
Yeah, change the class name. You will have
Where, sir?
the option current file. Click on current file. Yes. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So you have to make sure that you are selecting always the current file. Otherwise, your previous class will get executed because you have the main class in all the files. That's the reason. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, can you comment this for loop and try to make use of for each? So how do you do that? For within the brackets int. What is your variable? It's for int space mark, right? That is your marks. Mark colon marks, marks. You have all the marks, right? How did you
Sir,
define
we
the
use
array?
the
Nums,
nums.
nums. You just write nums. Okay, and then system dot in the flower bracket system dot out dot println students marks semicolon, and then plus you just give the student marks, yeah, or plus where are you repeating mark, yeah,
Mark.
that is what you are going to write. So this is using for each method. Now run the program. It is already selected, no?
No, sir.
Run the program. You will be able to see 26, 27, 9, 13, and 65. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir. It is clear.
So whatever we have done, this we call it as single dimensional array. Okay. So So this is one dimensional array. So we do have two dimensional arrays also, but we are not going to touch that now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important. So two dimensional arrays, if we wanted to understand, you might have already studied matrices chapter, right? In your basic curriculum, like till 10th standard, you will have matrices chapter. You will be having rows and columns,
Yes, sir.
right? So if you know that concept, understanding the two-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional arrays concept is easy, but we are not going to do that at this point of time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are we good with all the concepts, whatever we have seen so far?
Yes, sir.
So we have covered all the basics. With this, we have completed all the basics required to move forward with some of the advanced concepts in our Java. Okay. So all the things, whatever you have seen so far, which is the very base examples, are basic core concepts for your core Java.